Hey, this is Alex again, and today I want to talk to you about blog. We're going to discuss how to actually create a blog, how to deal with blog SEO, how to set up categories, and how to work with drafts and cloning articles, as well as how to publish our blog, and then how to create a blog link onto our website or funnel so people can discover it. Let's jump straight into AirChatty CRM right here. And basically, from the left side, we will go to marketing. And right there we have marketing. What happened? Oh, I'm sorry. We go to sites. Okay. And then in sites, we have blogs. Okay. And in blogs here, we just need to create blog post. Okay. And then we're going to just give it a name, my blog. Okay. You can set up a cover image. This is the size that you need to be aware of. Okay. And then this is my first blog. Okay. All these information actually, is required. The information is required. The title and the description will be used in the SEO meta tag. So yes, just make sure that you create this with SEO in mind, so Google will index this in the right way. Okay, so I think we need to write some more. This is my first blog about chatbots and tech. Follow my articles. Learn how to master building chatbots. Okay, my blog, bot wizards, chatbots. Okay, we need an image as well apparently, so I'm just gonna Google quickly. 640 by 40 pixel chatbot. Okay, then let's go Google Images, and this one is it saying about this one? Yeah. Okay, let's just take any image and then I'm gonna make it. Let's just take this one, open image in your tab. This is a 370 by, so it's smaller. Okay, yeah, let's just save this one. Let's see if it's working with a smaller image. Loads. This was use one of these. Okay, we already had it. Okay, now I'm gonna use this bot wizards. Okay, let's create post, and now we are getting redirected straight into a post. Okay, this is the demo post if you want, which is nicely written. It has you know, a quote in the beginning. It has an introduction. It's how it should be. Okay, and then at the top here you have back and forward, bold, italic, underline, strike through. Okay, you have all these indent, outdent, and all these controls for text. Okay, you can just highlight text like this. Okay. You can add images, you can insert audio, you can insert video, quotes, and you can even use content AI to actually create content for your blog. Okay, remember, what do you need? Outline, introduction section, content title, brief description. You can add a few keywords and then which type of tone to be used, how many variants you want, and you can generate automatically using the content AI feature. Just remember that this is chargeable, so you will see a charge into your account every single time you use content AI. Okay, let's say this is fine. It's also showing us how many words you have in the blog, which is great. So if you want to duplicate this right now, you can duplicate it right here. Okay, I'm actually going to duplicate this 3 times and I'll show you later why. Okay, and then you can preview the post here. Sorry, let's save it. When you see that blue dot there, it means it's not saved. You need to click save. Okay, preview post, you can preview your post. Okay, there you go. That's why the image was 600 by 400. It would have been pretty much 16, like a cover. Okay, not a square image there. Okay, you can view the mobile version as well, very easy from here, and go back, and right here we can see version history. If we made any, look, I have 2 versions, something wasn't right in the second version, I can click on this one, it will restore automatically to the previous version. Okay, so then you can delete the blog post right from here. We're gonna continue now. Okay, now you need to give it a slug. A slug is like the short part in the URL. Okay, so we're gonna say my first post, whatever. Okay, I don't have any category. Yes, I'm gonna add one. I'm just gonna go general, whatever. You can name this as you please. Okay, you can give a description. General bots articles. Make sure you fill out all these things because they do count in SEO. Okay, select one. Great. Now an author, if you don't have one, you should create yours. You can add a picture, blogging scenes. Okay, whatever. Put your you know, the links to your profiles and so on. Just make yourself known, put yourself out there. Okay, you can add a few keywords about this blog. Not that Google is gonna, you know, use them. Google is not reading keywords anymore, but it's a good exercise if you want. So general, enter chatbot, article, blog, whatever. Okay, you can save it as draft, you can publish it or schedule and publish for a later date. So if I click schedule, then I can choose a date and say tomorrow. I can choose the time, modify it right here. Okay, right now I'm gonna save it as draft. Okay, and I have 3 blog posts. Okay, I've cloned one twice. Okay, so let's edit the second one and let's call it industry info about chatbot industry. I just want to give them different names and I'll show you in a second why. Sorry. Let's continue and choose a category as well. Save as draft. Okay, then let's get the last one. Edit, and I'm gonna say facts about chatbots, whatever. Save, give it a new category, and then yeah, I have my 3 articles right here all by myself. Okay, in this section now you'd be able to see how many blog posts you have, how many published you have, and how many visitors per week you have. Okay, you can go to settings right there, and then you can create some more authors, you can create some more categories right here, or you can just view your RSS link. You can share this RSS link to any RSS feeders, just to drive some more traffic in your blog. Okay, then in this menu here, you can archive it, delete it, preview, change some SEO details, edit or duplicate the post right from here. Okay, so right now they are draft. I want to edit each and every one of them and publish them. So I'm gonna go continue, click publish, save. Publish date. This is not the schedule date. The publish date, when you select publish, is if you want to give it a date from today, that's fine. But let's say you might want to backdate one of your articles. So you can go continue, publish, and choose, let's say, the 8th. This was published earlier. You can do this with blogs. Okay, back publish them, backdate them, right? Go continue, publish. It's gonna be today as well. Right, now we have 3 published blog posts. Okay, let's go to our websites, and this is my page, I think. No, it's not. Let's see which template is running for this botwizards.io. Advisor financial home. Okay, so let's go to, I think it's I don't know if it's in here. Yeah, look, business, this is the one. Yeah, now I want to, maybe let's say this about us, or yeah, about us. I'm gonna clone it, and I'm gonna clone the page in this website, and then I'm going to go to settings. I'm gonna call it blog, and I'm gonna go artist blog, update page. Okay, and then I want to edit this page. So right now this will become blog. Read amazing articles about chatbots and how they can help your business, right? And I just want to really get rid of all these sections here. Look, it's already here. We have it here, which is brilliant. But let me show you how to add it. Okay, so we can delete this, and right here now I want a new section under this whole section, and I want a full width wide, and a 1 column one. I want an element inside which is called blog post list. Yeah, and there you go. You have your blog here. You can have it as standard, you can have it compact, yeah, and you can select which categories to be listed on this page. The general ones, how many we have on a page. We want 3 on a page, so we can paginate them. Okay, optimized, read more articles, maybe change that here. Now you can add, you can add some more text above it and so on. So for now, I think this is looking spot on. I'm going to save this and then I'm going to preview it. And there you go. We have our 3 blog posts right here on the page added. It's nice and simple. If we go and click on one of them, will take us to the article where we have the full blog post right there. And that's how you actually create an article and enable your blog and also link it to your main website. That was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for everything, and thank you for liking our videos and for being part of our community. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.